Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 14, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. Column F, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Fifth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then fifth grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 4, 8. Fifth row and seventh row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come any one of these cells, it will confirm later. 6th row and 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 1, 6. Column C, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column C, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th grade, only 1 numbers are remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. Column D, we have 5. 7th also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in any one of these cells. We confirm later. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 9, 6. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then we can confirm 4 also here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column I, column J, we get pair numbers 4, 7, 8. So 4, 7, 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We confirm later. Column I, third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. The 7th row and 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, 8th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fourth row, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of these cells. We confirm later. Then only is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Second row, we have 8, so it can't come this, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second grid, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Ninth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Ninth row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. 8th grade, column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 10th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.